Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to contact Changelly customer support service. So here's a simple step-by-step guide and a trick for you to be able to contact the Changelly customer support team. So for you to do that, is either you open the Changelly app, or if you don't have access to the app, you can easily go to the website, so which is changelly.com, and log in into your account. So scroll down to the footer or tap the menu, which is the 3-line icon. Look for help, support, or contact us from the list. Then tap support/contact. Then choose the category that matches your issue. For example, transaction issue, maybe account issue, and it could be payment issue. So once you find the category, fill in the support form. Enter your email address, the details of the issue, attach screenshots if necessary, then submit the form. So check your email inbox, the email linked to your account for their reply. And always use the official Changelly support channel to avoid phishing, and never share your private key, passwords, or full send seed phrase to any other user to avoid lose of your account. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more tricks and guide.